you. Betcha I'm back, baby. And this is going to be my favorite part of what I like to do, and that's fitness. Okay, so we're going to give you a little bit of fitness with Basketball U, as well as the handle, right? So first thing that we're going to do is we are going to use this as a focus workout, right? So it could be a warm-up for you before a game, or it can be a workout for you in general. First workout that we're going to do is I have this little basketball. That way I can wrap it around my big old head and my big old waist, right? Okay, so the one thing that we're going to do is we're going to work ball wraps. So you've done this before, you've seen it before. If you haven't, go to like the very first workout on the channel. Okay, so again, this is a good warm-up before the actual warm-up workout that we're going to do. Okay, so first thing, to make it easy, we're just going to wrap that ball right to left. Okay, and it doesn't have to be a basketball. It can be any ball you have at your house, whatever you want. Okay, so we're just keeping that ball wrapped. We're rolling it around. Okay, once we do that, okay, then we're gonna go above our head. Told you I got a big head, right? Boom, getting it around, getting it around. And again, this is a great shoulder workout. Messes with the core just a little bit, because you gotta kind of keep that focus and really catching the ball. And you kind of start breathing a little harder, right? Okay, and now we're gonna go under. Okay? So now we're under our legs. Okay, so just keeping it simple in that way. Very easy, right? Now, if you want to go another set, you don't feel as warmed up, you're not ready to get into the workout because you know it's going to be a little hard, you can go left to right. We can go around our body this way. And again, it's just about 10 reps around. It doesn't have to be quite like a lot. Okay. And then we're back here. Just moving it around. Again, left to right. I think I hit my head on that one. About 10 reps. And then left to right, under. Okay. Nice and easy. Keeping it simple. Sitting in that chair. Oh. There it is, right? Okay. So, there you go, Basketball U. Nice and easy. Keeping it very simple with our workout. Okay, drop the mic on that one. But again, most of my workouts won't have the ball in there, but you know what it is. Let's keep it rolling. Okay, so now going to the next thing, still working those shoulders and those arms. We're working on arm crossovers. So you got those arms out just like you had for the arm circles, and now we're crossing over, right? Just again, trying to hit all the areas of the shoulder and just making it nice and easy. Nice and easy, right? And I mean, as far as my rotation in my shoulders, I'm a little tight. So I'm not getting that full cross over, but that's okay, because I can still cross you over. So that's all that matters. But we're gonna keep on with this warm-up, okay? And we wanna make sure we're just kind of holding it just a little bit here and a little bit there. Cool. Okay, as we wrap it up, these are arm crossovers. These are nice and easy. Perfect. Good job. Okay, going to the next one. All right, so now we're getting down to where we're starting to work the core a little bit. Still working those shoulders and those arms, making sure everything is rolling actively and being ready to go to play. Okay, so now we're gonna get into plank position, and then we're gonna do up, up, down, down. Okay, so basically you're in plank position like this, okay? Trying to keep that body straight. Okay, we're gonna go up, up, then down, down. Up, up, 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 down, down. Great. So again, that one, you can do left or right, right or left, or you can do right, left, However you want to do it, whatever combination you want in that one. Again, starts to burn the core a little bit, still working those shoulders, working those arms, getting everything ready to go for this hoop that you're about to get into, right? Okay, great. Now we got squats. You know squats, very simple. Sitting in that chair, okay? There's a variation of different squats out there, but this one you're just sitting in that chair. Again, we're loading up those hips, getting them ready. So I'm here, oh yeah, nice and easy. Sitting in that chair, right? Getting in that roller coaster ride, boom. Nice and easy, right? This is easy. Again, it's just that movement, right? There's gonna be a lot of up and down movement. We're getting ready to jump a lot. All those things, whether it's a workout, a game, you're training just maybe outside, all these different things, this motion is gonna happen at some point, okay? So we're getting a nice, good squat, getting low, perfect. And I'm gonna get on that level of those knees over toes, guys. I love what they do. I wanna be 40, 50 years old dunking the basketball. They make it look easy. So yeah, we'll do some more exercises like that where it gets those knees right. Okay, so now we're gonna go air squats. Okay, you've seen it in different workouts that we've done before. All right, so now we're going, boom, we're here, we're here, we're here. Again, it's nice and easy. Boom, boom. I like to throw those hands up. Kind of takes my mind off of the squat and the soreness you're about to feel, right? Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Like it. I like it. I like this burn. Do you like the burn? Okay, boom, perfect. Okay, so again, 10, 15, 20 even, okay? Whatever gets you going, gets you warmed up, okay? So now, as we continue to do it, we're gonna go with the air squat, okay? So again, have fun with it, right? Get a little bouncy before you go. Get a little bouncy. So now I'm here, oh. And if you're a dunker, right? You're just getting those legs warmed up because you're about to bounce on somebody's head. And that's what you want, right? Okay. Just nice and easy with the air squats. Nice and easy, okay? You might start feeling those hammies get a little tight because I know I am. I don't jump like this every day. So this is for you, basketball. This is for you. Woo! The air squats are definitely gonna get you going. Heart rate's up. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. What? Okay, so now we got mountain climbers. So we're gonna get right into those. If you've never done those before, again, here's a quick example of it. And then we're gonna get right into it, all right? So everything that I'm gonna give you, there should be an example of it each time. And if I forget one of the times, come on, man, I'm gonna be doing these exercises every day with you, so you'll be good to go, all right? So if you haven't seen it today, you'll see it another day, okay? So to kind of ease that variation of what it looks like, bam, we're gonna start going, okay? It's like a plank almost, but those legs are bent, and then you're gonna speed it up. Come on, come on. Speed it up. Good. Stay with me. Stay with me. If I'm sweating, you're gonna be sweating. So let's keep sweating together. I want you eating potato chips and then watching this, figuring out why I got buff, how I got a six pack. Good. I want you to get one with me. Come on, man. That's where you use the fitness part. I know you want to see some more encore stuff. I got you. Don't you worry. And again, I'm gonna have other people working out because you guys want me to do fitness. Y'all want me out here dunking. You want me out here going through the legs. You want me to make every shot. Well, now get to sleep. I'm not even gonna get to sleep. Come on, basketball. You're only one guy. I appreciate you coming through. Let's keep working. All right, I'm gonna end it with this, and I'm gonna talk to you while I'm doing it. This is everybody's favorite. Okay, so you can do it with a basketball. I'm gonna do it a little bit with a basketball. Okay, wall sit. Very easy, right? So we're here. We're sitting on that wall. Piece of cake. Now, don't cheat it and start leaning forward. Try to get in that chair. Try to relax, right? So you got the ball to kind of keep you busy. And again, you can do ball things. right, to keep it active. All right, you can move it around your legs a little bit, which yes, it does make you lean a little forward, but it kind of keeps your mind off of, right? Awesome. Because I could sit here for a while and do this, right? All right. So you can use this, you can squeeze it, you can put it between your legs and squeeze, which is great because it's good for your core, right? But then it starts burning these, so it starts shaking. So there's a lot of things that you can do with the basketball. And it's just really awesome to be able to sit down and be getting some work done, right? Okay. So again, Basketball U, as we end this workout, you've completed it. Okay. You can cool down with like a little walk or some different stretches. And we're pretty much finished. Basketball U, thank you for coming through. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We're doing this every day. Are you gonna be with me? I hope so. And remember, someone's always working. Are you? Better be.